Hey everyone! Today we are diving into a topic that I think a lot of you are going to love. How to make $100 a day using just your smartphone with absolutely no experience required. Yeah, that's right. Your phone can become your new money-making tool and you won't need any specialized skills to get started. Whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, we've got you covered. So, jump into it. Let's start with gig economy apps like TaskRabbit. If you're enjoying doing odd jobs or helping people out in your local area, TaskRabbit is perfect for you. Whether it's assembling furniture, running errands, or doing yard work, there are tons of opportunities available. You can easily make $20 to $50 per gig, depending on the task. Let's see you complete 2 or 3 tasks a day. Boom! You're already hitting that $100 mark. The best part? You can choose your own hours, so if you got a busy schedule, the feed's signed in. Next up, we have Fiverr and Upwork, which are freelancing platforms that connect you with clients looking for all kinds of services. And here's the thing, you don't have to be an expert to get started. There are so many beginner-friendly gigs like data entry, virtual assistant work, or even basic social media management. All you need is some willingness to learn and little time. Even starting at just $5 to $10 per gig, you'll see how fast those small jobs add up, especially as you build up your reviews and start getting repeat clients. Now, for those of you who like being on your phone but don't necessarily want to work, there are ways to make passive income too. Let me introduce you to cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta. These apps give you money back for things you are already buying. Whether it's groceries, clothing, or tech gadgets, you can get a percentage of your purchase back in cash. It's not a huge amount per transaction, but it adds up, especially if you do a lot of shopping. Combine a few cashback apps and you're looking at some nice extra cash each month. And finally, we can't talk about making money with your phone without mentioning online surveys. I know, surveys don't sound exciting, but hear me out. There are legitimate survey platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars that pay you for giving your opinion. It's easy, requires no skill, and can be done anytime, anywhere. You won't get rich overnight, but if you dedicate a little time each day, you can easily make $5 to $10 per session, and it adds up over the month. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course, subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Remember, you don't need a ton of experience or finance equipment, just a smartphone and some hustle. Happy earning, and I'll see you in the next video.